But sometimes you just hear it. You can't keep your head on a swivel. I mean, I look up and he's getting wet. Oh, there we go. Woo! Boy, I feel like
It's slime.
oh, you missed it. I smacked him down. I got to punch that one down.
Good thing there on the day.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, they're back behind you. Oh, that's a good
Oh
one.
my God.
That was like 6, 7
Give
feet
me
in
a
the
hang
air.
time. Oh! Oh! Here we go.
Hit the cameraman. Nailed me right in the back.
Did he?
Oh, yeah.
There's some good hang.
Watch your head, good straight.
Whoa!
Oh!
You're afraid to turn around.
Oh,
There you go. There we go.
Not on Joe Seedy, Sam.
Oh, Joe.
Go ahead and get him out.
Hey, only got to get 4 more.
Yeah, nailed me in the side.
Oh, here we go.
God, right in the head.
Ow! Look at that!
Holy!
Whoa! Look at this! Oh! Hot dog! You're getting whacked in the
Hit me
head!
right in the head.
4, we got another. Whoa!
Oh,
Catch one! You couldn't catch him, this was slimy.
Almost you have my knife. Stab it.
Oh yeah, boom!
Oh, they're coming in close. If we hadn't have batted them all back in, we would have had the record.
Oh, no.
I think.
Oh, there's one! I'm on my shoulder! He went right over
Alright,
my
I got you, buddy.
I gotta tell you, it's hard to hold the camera still.
Ah.
We're gonna get it right here.
Oh! We need to bring the ball here. Oh! Got another. That's 8. 8 in the boat. Look at this. That way.
It was in back in the 90s when he kept that.
Oh!
How many have we got now?
He bent the pole.
So what do we have, 18 now?
Man, that's not funny. That is not funny.
I think it's kind of funny.
Yeah, I have to admit I do too.
I think it's broke, dude. I'm gonna have to fix that one.
18. There's 18 in the boat. You're gonna.
19.
19. I got
Oh my
scales stuck to me.
Can we hear 20?
Yeah. We gotta get 20. We gotta get one more.
That was just like on cue.